Welcome to HomePan TriPro. If you have been looking for that one piece of kitchen gear that can handle everything from a crusty loaf of artisan bread to a perfect steak, you have likely come across the Tortillada cast iron combo cooker. Today, we are diving deep into this 10-inch cast iron skillet and 3.5 quart Dutch oven set to see if it deserves a permanent spot on your stove top. Cast iron has been a kitchen staple for generations, and for good reason. It is practically indestructible. The Tortillada combo cooker comes pre-seasoned, which is a huge bonus because it allows you to start cooking right out of the box without the hassle of a complex initial seasoning process. This set is incredibly versatile. Because it is a combo unit, the lid of the Dutch oven is actually a fully functional 10-inch skillet. This gives you a massive range of cooking options. You can use the pot for soups, stews, or baking bread, and then flip the lid to sear your protein or fry an egg. The heat retention on this unit is fantastic. Cast iron is known for its ability to hold on to heat, which helps you achieve a deep, delicious crust on your meats. It distributes heat evenly, meaning you will not deal with those annoying hot spots that ruin a good sear. Plus, since it keeps your food hot for a long time, you can bring the pot directly to the table for serving. Let us talk about the extra value included here. Tortillada provides 2 fabric handle guards. This is a very thoughtful addition because, as anyone who uses cast iron knows, the handles get incredibly hot. These guards are machine washable, so you do not have to worry about them getting greasy or stained over time. You also get access to an e-book with over 50 recipes, which is a great starting point if you are new to cooking with cast iron or just looking for some fresh inspiration. On the pro side, the durability is unmatched. This is a buy it once, use it for a lifetime kind of product. It is also surprisingly energy efficient because once that iron gets hot, it holds that energy incredibly well. The customer service backing this product is also a major plus. They offer 7-day-a-week support and a 24-hour response time, which gives you real peace of mind. Are there any downsides? Like all cast iron, this is heavy. You need to be prepared for the weight when lifting it from the oven. Also, you must remember that cast iron requires specific care. You need to wash it carefully, dry it immediately, and keep it oiled to prevent rust. If you are looking for a non-stick pan that you can just throw in the dishwasher, this is not for you. But, for those who value performance, flavor, and longevity, these are small prices to pay. In conclusion, the Tortillada combo cooker is a robust, well-made, and highly versatile tool that brings professional-grade results into a home kitchen. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned home cook, this set offers incredible value for your money. If you want to elevate your cooking game with a tool that will outlast almost anything else in your cupboard, this is a solid choice. Link in the description.